Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover deleted Facebook Messenger photos or restore deleted Messenger photos and pictures when you accidentally delete or lose your Facebook Messenger photos and pictures. In this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted Facebook Messenger photos and pictures. So let's see how to do that. After that, choose and open Google Play Store, and in this here write and search file recovery, photo recovery. After that, scroll down. File recovery, photo recovery. Please install this app. After install this app and then open it. After that, you can see recover video, recover image, recover audio, file recovered, all files recovered. And in this way you can choose and open recover image. You can see tap to scan now, and in this you can easily recover or restore your all deleted Messenger photos, pictures and images. After that, tap to scan now, click on it, and in this here I can see my lost or deleted Messenger photos and videos in this here, and in this I can easily recover or restore. So let's see. After that, open any photos. So first of all, I can choose and select my deleted Messenger all photos. You can see in this time I can choose and select my all deleted Messenger photos and images, and in this time I can easily recover or restore. So let's see. After that, you can see restore, click on it. You can see awesome 5 file restored photos. That's when I can easily recover or restore my all deleted Messenger photos, pictures and images. After that, you can see file recovered, all files recovered. So choose and open. Remember, in this here save your all recover or restore deleted Messenger photos, pictures and images in this here save. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.